in the US, you'll always kind of hear like dry saunas versus wet saunas and steam rooms. Is that not really like a dry sauna just doesn't have the water pouring on the rocks? Is that it?
That we've spoken about that a lot, and this dry sauna really doesn't exist. It,
Oh, okay.
somebody came up with that, and I don't know where it came from,
Hmm.
but like theoretically, there's no such a thing. But I guess that's what it means, because there's because of the liability reasons. You know, when these public saunas, they often have those strict big signs that state that absolutely no water on the rocks, and to sort of justify that, maybe why somebody came up with the idea of a dry sauna. But the traditional sauna is not a dry sauna per se.
Okay.
It's coming back to this, so it's fine, you know. But when we're talking about you know, authentic traditional sauna, it's never a dry sauna.
Right. Okay, I see. And then do you know what a steam room is then?
Yeah, yeah. Steam room is totally, you know, it's totally different. And
Okay.
it's part of the you know, the thermal therapy. And steam, you know, I said when we started this discussion that I actually have a steam shower, which is a steam room made in your shower. And
Right.
it's fine, but and you know, the of course the humidity is 100%, and the heat is way lower. You know, 120 is what I'm doing. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, degrees Fahrenheit. But it's also relaxing. It's also enjoyable.
Yeah.
We don't promote that, but I always go to one when I see one. You know, when I
Hmm.
have a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's not, you know, you know, the mechanism, you know, like the whole thing is different. Uh,
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats. And all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. For real, not very good.